So now we are moving to the next question, that is question number 69. So question number 69 is on your screen. Artificial sweetener which is stable under cold condition only is. So this is a direct statement of your NCERT. So the answer is aspartame. Okay, aspartame is act as a artificial sweetener which is stable under cold conditions. So option number 3 is the correct answer of your question number 69. So question number 70 is on your screen. In acidic medium, hydrogen peroxide changes dichromate to chromium 6 peroxide which has a 2 OO bonds. Oxidation state of chromium in chromium 6 peroxide is. So this question is come from your redox chapter of your class 11 NCERT. So now we are moving to the solution part. So it's very easy, just you should know how the structures look like. So the structure of chromium 6 oxide, it will be look like this, and this OO linkage is nothing but this is your peroxy linkage, and when peroxy linkage is there, the oxidation state is -1. So here -1, -1, -1. So if I am taking this one is x, so x plus 4 into -1 structure plus this is -2 because this is general option. So this is a -2 is equal to 0. So now just do the calculation, x -4 -2, sorry, -2 is equal to 0. So x equal to plus 6. So the oxidation state of chromium in chromium 6 peroxide, sorry, chromium 6 peroxide is plus 6. That is option number 3 is the correct answer of your question number 70. So now we are moving to the next question, that is question number 71. So question number 71 is on your screen. The reaction of aqueous KMnO4 with hydrogen peroxide in acidic condition gives. So now we are moving to the solution part. So it's a very easy question. When KMnO4 is react with hydrogen peroxide, it will give Mn plus 2 plus your oxygen. Okay. Now if you see from where you will get this option, your option number 2 where Mn plus 2 and oxygen, option number 2 is the correct answer of your question number 71. So now we are moving to the next question, that is question number 72. So question number 72 is on your screen. Among the following complexes, the one which shows 0 crystal field stabilization energy is. So this question is come from your coordination compound of your class 12 NCERT. So now we are moving to the solution part. So first let us find out the oxidation state of those d blocks elements. Okay. So for manganese it will be for 0, that is manganese it will be present in plus 3 state. For this one also in plus 3 state. For this one is present in plus 2 state. This one is present in plus 3 state. Now Sc, Tv, Cru, Man, Fe, Co. Okay. So we need only Fe, Mn and Co. Okay. Sc, Tv, crewman, Feco, Niku, Ja. This is the D blocks elements. So now just write the configuration for D1 S2, D2 S2, D3 S3, sorry S2, D4 S2, it should be D5 S1 because of this stabilization. For this one it will be D5 S2, D6 S2, D7 S2. Okay. So we required only Mn, Fe and Co. Okay. So remove remaining part, we can erase it out. Okay. Now for this Mn it would be in plus 3 state. So if it will be plus 3, so Mn plus 3 will give you D 4 from 2 from here, 1 from here, so it will be D4. For Fe it will be in +3 state, +3 state means 2 from here, 1 from here, so it will give a D5. Now for CO cobalt resistance +2 and +3, for CO +2 it should be D7 and for CO +3 it should be D6. Okay. Now if you see in this case, this water is your weak field ligand. Okay. And when weak field ligand is there, the splitting will be less. So as a result, pairing does not happen. So now for this Mn plus 3 it will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 4 electrons should be there, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I will be split this one, it will be coming here because it is an octahedral complexes. So in octahedral complexes, T2G will be go down and EG will be go up. Okay. So here 4 electrons will be there and pairing does not take place. So 1, 2, 3 and the 4. And what is the CFSE formula? CFSE is equal to, so this energy gap is nothing but because it is lower in energy, so minus 4 delta naught, sorry, minus 0.4 delta naught, and for this one is plus 0.6 delta naught. Now if you calculate the CFSE value is minus 0.4 delta naught into x, x is nothing but number of electrons present on T2G orbitals, plus 0.6 delta naught into y, and y is nothing but the electrons present in your EZ orbital. So this formula we are going to use it. Now if you see for D4 it will be minus 0.4 delta naught. What is the x value? Your x value is see here 4 electrons will be there, so into 4, and for 0 plus 0.6, how many electrons are present in your EZ orbitals? Only 1, so it should be 1. So what you are getting, this should not be equal to 0. So this is not our option, Mn we can neglect it out, okay, because it should not equal to 0. Now if you do for this and this, it also never show a 0 value, but if you calculate for this option number 2, so let's directly we go for the option number 2. So what is the configuration? Fe plus 3. Fe plus 3 means SC TV crew man FECO. So D1, D2, D3, D4, D5 and D6, right. S2, D7 means it will be D5. So now we draw the splitting part, okay. So Fe plus 3 it will be give 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now it will be split as T2G here, that is 1, 2 and 3, here also 1 and 2. So this is nothing but this is your T2G and this is EG. Now this weak field ligand, so as weak field ligand is present, so no pairing take place. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now using this formula CFSE, that is minus 0.4, 0.4 how much energy will be there in T2G, that is 3 electrons is present, so it will be 3 plus 0.6, how many electrons present in EZ orbitals? 2, so into 2. Now 4 into 3 it should be coming as minus 1.2, here also it will be coming as plus 1.2. So minus 1.2 plus 1.2 it will be cancel it out and it will be give a 0. So our option number 2 is the correct answer of your question number 72. Similarly, you can check for 3 option also, 4 option also. Here it will not equal to 0, here also it will not equal to 0, and that one I already showed, this is not equal to 0. So, question number 73 is on your screen. Magnetic moment 2.83 Bm, that is Bohr magneton, is given by which of the following ions? So, this question is come from your coordination compound of your class 12 NCERT. So, now we are moving to the solution part. So, how to find out this magnetic moment? The formula is your mu is nothing but that is the magnetic moment, root over n into n plus 2, and n is nothing but number of unpaired electrons. So, here n is equal to number of unpaired electrons, okay, number of unpaired electrons. So, let us see what are the elements they are given. So, Sc again T, V, crew, man, Fe, Ko, Ni, Ku, Ja. Again I am repeating Sc, T, V, crew, man, Fe, Ko, Ni, Ku, Ja. Okay. So, for this one is D1 S2. So, we require this one, that is D2 S2, then again D3 S3, D4 S2, it should be as D5 S1, okay, chromium we required, then we required manganese also, this is also D5 S2, okay, and another one is required as chromium. Where is chromium? This one is done, Mn is done, nickel, okay. So, D5 S2, D6 S2, D7 S2, that is D8 S2. Now, see for this one Ti, they are giving us plus 3 oxidation state, means 2 from here, 1 from here. So, it will be D1. For chromium plus 3, if it will be plus 3, 1 from here and 2 from here. So, it will be as D3, right, 1 from here and 2 from here, 2, yeah, 3, it will be 3. For this one a manganese, it will be plus 2 state. So, it should be as D5. Now, for nickel, this is S2 will be plus 2 oxidation state, it will be gone, then it will be D8. Now, here number of unpaired electron is 1, here number of unpaired electron is 3, here number of unpaired electrons is 5, but in this case if you see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So, only 2 unpaired electrons will be there. Now, if you calculate for this all, like for this one, if I am putting n value is 1, 1 plus 2, here it will be coming as 3, 3 plus 2, here n is equal to 5 means 5, 5 plus 2, and here root over 2, 2 plus 1, sorry 2 plus 2. So, it will be coming as 2 plus 1, 3, 3 into 1, that is root 3. For this it will be coming as 3, 4, 5, 5 into 3, that is coming as 15. For this one 5, 6, 7, it will be coming as 35. And for this it will be coming as 2 plus 2, that is 4, 4 into 2, root 8. Now, root 8 value is nothing but it is 2.83. Now, what they ask about magnetic moment 2.83 among the following which ion shows. So, 2.83 it will show by nickel 2 plus, that is your option number 2. This option number 2 is the correct answer of your question number 73. And also I want to give you a simple trick here. This is just following observation, okay. Now, when they are giving us magnetic moment 2.83, it means the number of unpaired electrons is equal to 2. It is just an observation, it may be correct or may not be correct, but most of the time it was correct. If they are giving us 3.57, suppose 3.57 if they are given, so every time it will be shown that the number of unpaired electron is 3. Like similarly, if they are giving us 4.17, okay, that is the your magnetic momentum value. So, it means it will observe that your number of unpaired electrons is 4. So, this one is just an observation, okay, but this is the calculation I already shown. So, if you see here 2.83 they are given. So, it means the number of unpaired electrons is 2. Now just find out who having that number of unpaired electron, that is 2. Here it is 2, here it will be 5, here it will be 3, here it will be 1. So only one option is there, that is nickel 2 plus, who having the unpaired electron is plus 2. So now we are moving to the next question, that is question number 74. So question number 74 is on your screen. So which of the following complexes is used to be as an anti-cancer agent? So this question again come from your coordination chemistry of your class 12 NCERT, and this is very famous question. We all know the solution of this question is your cisplatin, okay, that is your option number 2, cisplatin. It is used as an anti-cancer, okay. So nowadays lots of research is going on this cisplatin. Instead of cisplatin, they tried to form a different anti-cancer medicine based on the coordination complexes. So your option number 2 is the correct answer of your question number 74. So now we are moving to the next question, that is question number 75. So question number 75 is on your screen. Reason of lanthanide contraction is. So this question is come from D and F block elements of your class 12 NCERT. So we are moving to the solution part. So now this is a very common reason of lanthanide contraction, that is the negligible screening effect of F orbital, that is option number 1 is the correct answer of your question number 75. So this is a direct statement of your D and F block element, okay, of your class 12 NCERT. So negligible screening effect of D orbital. So always remember the screening effect, the order it will be follow S, P, D and F. So D and F is known as poor shielding, okay. Due to poor shield, the lanthanide contraction will be happen due to this poor shielding of your F orbitals. So question number 76 is on your screen. In the following reaction, the product A is. Now this question is come from your nitrogen containing compound of your class 12 NCERT. So now we are moving to the solution part. So how it will form, no? The main question is how it will form. Now see, this is called as benzonium disonium salt, okay. So the structure will be now these two are the structures. Now what will happen here, HCl will be removed it out from this position, okay, and what you are getting, that is minus HCl will be removed from here, and we are obtaining this kinds of product, okay, and this is nothing but this is yellow in color, okay, yellow dye, we can say yellow dye, okay. Now see, they asked about what is your product A, and this is your product A, okay. So now see the options where you will get this product. This one no, this one might be, this one is okay, this is not possible because here 1, 2, 3 and 4. If you see here 1, 2 and 3, no, this is not possible. If you see, this is also not possible. If I am putting 1 here, 2 here, no, this is also. But in this case, see 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, okay. So option number 4 is the correct answer of your question number 76. So now we are moving to the next question, that is question number 77. So question number 77 is on your screen. Which of the following will be the most stable diazonium salt? So now we are moving to the solution part. Now in these questions, they are asked about which one is most stable diazonium salt. Now if you see in this one, like here and here, benzene ring will be there, in benzene ring we know all resonance will take place, but in this case no benzene ring is there. So, these two are not the correct answer. Now, we have to left it on only two options, option number 2 and option number 4. Here the structure will be look like this. And here what will happen, this will undergo resonance, but if you see here benzene ring is present, but it will be not undergo direct resonance with this N2X minus. So, as a result resonance will be absent in this case. So, resonance is present only in your option number 2, and that is why it will be more stable, and option number 2 is the correct answer of your question number 77. And what is the reason of this? Due to benzene ring under resonance. Okay. So, now we are moving to the next question, that is question number 78. So, question number 78 is on your screen. D plus glucose react with hydroxyl amines and yields an oxime. The structure of the oxime would be. So, now we are moving to the solution part. So, now if you see they asked about oxime, okay, and they give you the reactant is your glucose. Okay. So, let us see which is the glucose parent structure. Okay. Now, if you see in options, see here OH, here also should OH will be present on your right side, that is the glucose structure, like it will be like CH2, sorry 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 CH2OH. Now, here should be OH will be present, here also OH should be present, here should be H, and here should be your OH, and here H, 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 and it should be your CHO. So, this is the parent structure of your glucose, okay, D glucose, sorry, D positive glucose. Okay, this OH should be on your right hand side. So, this is not our option. So, it will not give you the oxime. So, this is not the oxime structure. Here, yeah, this is possible because this OH will be on right side. This may be the option. Now, in option number 3 also this H will be present on right hand side, and that right hand side structure will be not the parent structure of D glucose. So, this option number 3 also we can neglect it. Now, if you see in option number 4 here OH will be present. So, this may be our answer. Now, if you see the parent structure among this here hydrogen, this hydrogen should not be there, here should OH should be there. So, this is not the option. Now, if you see option number 4, your first one is OH and remaining all are matching with the parent structure of the glucose. So, option number 4 is the correct answer of your question number 78. So, question number 79 is on your screen. Which of the following hormones is produced under the condition of stress which stimulates glycogenolysis in the liver of human beings? So, now we are moving to the solution part. So, this is a very basic questions, and if you are going to be a doctor, definitely you should know the answer is nothing but the answer is your option number 3, that is the adrenaline, and option number 3 is the correct answer of your question number 79.